Welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you how to make a fabulous salmon. I will also make a delicious butter sauce, a lemon butter sauce to pour over our salmon. So we're going to start off first by adding some salt. So I'm going to use some salt on the top like this. That should be enough. And the next thing I will do is add some, and you could do just salt and pepper, but I just like to add a little extra. So I'm gonna add some onion powder, just a little bit on the top like that, because we want a nice tasty fish. I'm gonna add some black pepper. Like this. And I also like to add just a little bit of adobo for flavor, not too much, just a little like that. And our fish should be fabulous. Now you want to flip it over, and you want to go ahead and season the back and the sides as well. All right, our salmon is nice and seasoned. I'm going to go ahead and make a quick compound butter. Well, I'm going to allow this to sit for maybe about 30 minutes. I mean, you don't have to, but I'm allowing mine to sit for 30 minutes. And then I'll come back and show you what I do next. All right, let's go ahead and make our butter, our compound butter. I have some softened butter. This butter is at room temperature. To our butter, I mean, you can add whatever herb you want to your compound butter, but I'm just going to add just some parsley that I chopped up. Okay. And then I have some of my minced garlic. I'm going to add the minced garlic in like that. Let's get the rest of this in there. And also, I will add some fresh thyme. So we're going to just remove the leaves off of the stem. Like that. I'm not adding a lot of fresh thyme because thyme has a strong taste, and I do not want it to overtake our butter. So now you want to mix everything in. I mean, you can add your rosemary, oregano, I mean, whatever you want. But I'm just making a simple one. So we can add some flavor to our fish. Okay. All right. Once you get all of your butter in, you're gonna go ahead and kind of squeeze it into a long log. Okay. Like this. And then you roll it. If you want, you could just go ahead and roll it. And the reason why I can go ahead and secure it. Okay. See, now we have a nice log. And the reason why I like to do it like this is easier for me to use. So once I get ready to take a piece, I could just take my knife and slice off little pieces and just go ahead and rewrap it, put it back in the refrigerator. So I'm gonna come back and show you how I make this fabulous sauce. I'm gonna go ahead and add our fish in. Like this. I'm gonna do the same thing. It's already smelling good, guys. Like that. And we're gonna just allow this to get a nice color. We're gonna flip it, and then I'm gonna stick it in the oven and allow it to cook all the way through in the oven. I'm gonna go ahead and flip our fish. Just use my finger to help me a little bit here. See how beautiful that is? Nice. So we're going to allow this to cook for maybe 1 more minute, then I'm going to stick it in the oven. I'm going to allow the sauce just to boil for a few seconds because I don't have that much lemon juice in it. So we're going to add the butter, my compound butter. instead of using plain butter. So we're gonna add the butter in, and you're going to use your whisk and just put it in, but you do not want to, let me turn my stove down just a little bit, because you do not want your butter to burn, and you want it to have this nice creamy consistency. Okay, so every few seconds you want to kind of lift it off the stove as well, because we do not want it to break at all. And then just keep adding in your butter. All right, our sauce is looking fabulous. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. That's it, our beautiful sauce. It's nice and creamy. And what I will add, just a pinch of salt, just a pinch of salt like this. And I'm gonna stir it. All right, and we're gonna give it a taste. And remember, we have garlic in here, we have the parsley, we have some thyme, and I have black pepper already on our salmon. Guys, this is fabulous. Very simple, but yet delicious sauce. I'm gonna go ahead and pour that all over our salmon. I'm gonna go ahead and take our sauce and just drizzle it on top of our salmon like this. All right, guys, here is our fabulous, fabulous salmon with lemon butter sauce. It is extremely tasty, delicious, delicious, delicious. Until next time, please like, comment. Do not forget to subscribe.